Hello guys, so this is the part 3 of our Vietnam trip. So andito nga kami sa sleeper bus from Sapa, pabalik na ng Hanoi. Mga around 4 AM na nga kami nakadating sa Hanoi. Andito na kami sa port para sa aming Halong Bay Cruise. Nag-avail nga pala kami sa travel agency na malapit sa hotel namin for 950,000 dong or 2,000 plus in peso. Please watch my vlog at Den Explorer 31 or simply search Denise Sardena to see more of our Halong Bay Cruise tour.
Padating na si Sunshine Cruise.
Tutulak ka ni Hercules. So, kala ko may
We availed the boat instead of kayak kasi we were only allowed to choose one. But if you want to be extra adventurous, I'd say try nyo na lang din magkayak. Napakalawak ng lugar pero medyo crowded nga lang since this is also one of their tourist spots. So we also went to this cave and guys, 500 million years ago, this cave was underwater. Ang galing, no? Madami nga hagdanan na aakyatin dito, no? So this cave is not suitable for people who don't like to walk or go upstairs. But if you really want to experience it, pwede namang magpahinga as you go along the way. Then after that, we just roam around Hanoi again. If you guys want a nightlife, madami yan dito sa Hanoi. Naghahanap kasi ako dito ng bilihan ng pasalubong pero dito ako napunta. Balik na nga kami ng hotel dito at marami pa ding nagkakantahan sa street. Went straight to the airport at 3 AM for our flight in Manila. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and follow. Where should we go next?